In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to derive the equation for our LM curve. L stands for liquidity and our M stands for money. So we know that at the money market, or in the money market, or at equilibrium, at equilibrium, our demand for money, that is MD, is money demand, and our MS here is money supply. So at equilibrium, our MD must be equal to our MX, should be equal to our MX. So now let's see. We know our MD to be equal to KY minus HI, so equal to M0 or M0. So likewise, what happened in the IS curve? Yet we want to make I the subject, which is the interest rate, so that when combining, we'll be able to find our equilibrium income and our equilibrium interest rate. So we are going to make I the subject. We are going to send minus HI to the right hand side in order to avoid this negative. Then we send the M0 to the left hand side. We are going to get KY. When positive M comes here, becomes negative M0, which is also equal to HI. In this case, we want to divide both sides by H so that we can make I the subject. So we divide here by H, here by H. So H will cancel H. Therefore, I is equal to KY minus M0 all over H. And this is the same as I being equal to KY over H minus M0 over H. Very simple. Yeah, very simple. So this is how we derive the equation for LM curve. This is how we derive the equation for LM curve. In our next tutorial, we are going to learn how to combine the IS curve and the LM curve to find our national income and our interest rate. So let's see. Let us solve one example. Let us try to solve one example under this question. So given that MD, our MD equal to 0.25y minus 30i, and our MX is equal to 350. So we said at equilibrium, so we are saying that at equilibrium, we have to equate our MD to our MX. So we have MD to be equal to 0.25 y minus 30i. So this one is equal to 350. We want to make I the subject. So we are going to send negative I to the right hand side, then we send 350 to the left hand side. We are going to get 0.25y minus 350, then being equal to 30i. Equal to 30i. We want to make I the subject, so we divide both sides by, we have to divide both sides by 30. So we had the equation to be 0.25y minus 350 equal to 30i. Dividing both sides by 30. So we divide here by 30. We divide here also by 30. This one cancels 30. So this is the same as 0.25y over 30 minus 350 over 30, which is equal to I. Which is equal to our I. Now let's see. We know 0 can cancel the 0. So therefore, our I is equal to 0.25 y over 30 minus 35 over 3. 35 over 3. This is our final answer. You can also break it down. If you want, you can break it down. Yeah. So we know this is the equation. This is the equation for our LM curve. So therefore, equation for LM curve is I equal to 0.25y over 30 minus 35 over 3. Thank you very much. In our next tutorial, we are going to combine both the IS curve and LM curve. So we call it IX-LM model to find our equilibrium national income and equilibrium interest rate. Thank you very much.